this afternoon I'm going to try and start my 1951 Panther, which has been in the shed for about 2 months, in real time to see if I can get it going relatively easily. Firstly, I've just got to kick it over to loosen up the piston. This just frees all the oil up around the piston. Now I'm going to free the clutch. Right, now I have to turn on the petrol and give it a good tickle so that I've got petrol flooding everywhere. Now I have to retard it so it doesn't kill me. Just knock it a bit off advance. And we'll see, I don't use the half compressor here. I don't find I need that in Australia, but we'll see how it goes. Find top dead centre, kick it past top dead centre a bit. Whoop, bit of clutch slippage. I think I would have got it started a bit better if the clutch wasn't slipping. Another thing I've found is when I can't start it, if I pull in the decompressor and kick it with the decompressor in, for some reason it seems to start really readily. But I'm a bit loath to fix that because it's an easy way to get it started, but that's how it's done.